Ever wondered how plants drink water from the ground and they transfer it to the leaves? Welcome to the series of Crazy Chemistry. Here your instructor Miss Mutahra from Acelab. Today we are exploring one of the nature's coolest trick, capillary action. For this purpose you need some beakers, color pigments red, blue, yellow, water and tissue paper. Here we have all these ingredients, beakers, colors and tissue paper. Arrange all the beakers in a row. We will add water alternate to a beaker means एक छोड़ के एक beaker में हम पानी ऐड करेंगे. So let's do it. First beaker में थोड़ा सा पानी ऐड करें. Then second beaker को खाली छोड़ दें and then third beaker में पानी ऐड करें. इसी तरह fourth beaker को खाली छोड़ दें and fifth beaker में पानी ऐड करें. Start adding pigment to the beakers. First add yellow color, then blue color in the middle one, and then red color. After adding color, mix it well. Now take some tissue papers. Just fold it. Put the one edge of the tissue paper in red color and the other edge in empty beaker. Same is the case for the blue color. Put one edge in blue color and the other in empty beaker. Same for the yellow one. In this way, we will get a path from which color can easily flow from one beaker to another. Now let's wait and watch. After passing some time, you can see that the color is traveling. This is all due to the process of capillary action. Capillary action is a process that occurs in plant. Now let's see in details. Water absorbs in the root and water moves to the area of high water potential to the area of low water potential through a semi-permeable membrane. And here रूट सेल से वाटर xylem वेसल में ट्रांसफ़र किया जाता है which act as a vascular system of the plants. Capillary action helps plants draw water up their stems, defying gravity through tiny tubes called xylem. यहाँ दो प्रोसेस हो रहे होते हैं. Water molecules stick to the xylem walls called adhesion and water molecules stick together called cohesion, creating an upward pull called capillary action. The same process you can also do at your home by food coloring flowers. Take some white roses, cut the stems at 45-degree angle, add water in a beaker or any jar, add some food colors. You can add any color, red, green, yellow. Now insert a flower. Same thing you will do with the other flowers with the different colors. And after a day, the color is traveled through the stem of a flower. So this is all about the capillary action. I hope you enjoy this video. Now it's your turn to create colorful magic. Bye bye.